Hello and welcome. You are now looking at Basecamp.com, and when you enter this site, you'll default to Basecamp 3.0. However, there are two additional versions of Basecamp, and both versions have very loyal following of users. If you do an internet search for Basecamp Classic, there is no front page. However, there is a sign-up form where you can become part of Basecamp Classic. Basecamp Classic has a free version that will allow you to work with one project. It will also allow you to upgrade to a basic version at $24 a month, where you have 5 gigabytes of storage and you can do 15 projects at the same time. You can actually go as high as $149 a month, where you'll have access to Campfire, which is more like a live, real-time way of being able to communicate with the other members of your team. Now, Basecamp Classic is an older version of Basecamp 2, which you can also sign up for. And again, doing a simple internet search for Basecamp 2, you'll be able to find this page and you'll be able to start a 60-day free trial. Now, Basecamp 2 has tiered pricing. You can manage 10 projects a month for $20, and then the more projects you want to do, you'll be able to manage them at $100. And finally, you can manage unlimited projects with 100 gigabytes of storage at $150 a month. And of course, as you can see here, you can manage unlimited projects. If you're willing to pay all at once, you can have 500 gigabytes of storage. Now, the current version of Basecamp, Basecamp 3.0, is designed to replace Basecamp as well as some of the other applications that people use in order to gain productivity. Therefore, as you can see, it's designed for you to have file storage, document use, as well as messaging and real-time chat. And the pricing at $99 a month is designed to replace all of these other systems where you'd be doing those things individually with a team. The most popular place to start is going to be Basecamp 2 until you have a need for all of the other systems or until you feel comfortable justifying $99 a month. So we're going to start with using Basecamp 2 as our base of operations. Now, if you already have a username and you'd like to start with Basecamp, you can start a trial with your current username, or you can create your name, login, and password at this screen. And once you've created your login and password, you are then ready to begin using Basecamp 2. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.